Welcome to the Auto Car, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews, specs, and features of the latest automobiles. We bring you detailed insights into the newest models, helping you make informed decisions before hitting the road. Today, we are diving into the 2025 Lowrider, a machine that combines classic styling with modern performance. The 2025 Lowrider continues its legacy of powerful performance and distinctive design. It is built for those who appreciate the blend of old-school aesthetics and contemporary engineering. Under the hood, it features a high-output V-twin engine, delivering impressive torque and a responsive throttle for a thrilling ride. The exhaust note remains deep and aggressive, staying true to its heritage. With advanced fuel injection and enhanced cooling, the engine runs smoother and more efficiently, making long rides more enjoyable. In terms of design, the 2025 Lowrider maintains its iconic stance but with refined details. The frame is lightweight yet sturdy, improving overall handling and stability. The LED lighting system not only enhances visibility but also adds a modern touch to its classic look. The fuel tank showcases a sleek design, complementing the low-slung seat and wide handlebars for that unmistakable cruiser feel. The instrument cluster has been upgraded with a digital-analog combination, providing essential riding information with a retro appeal. Riding comfort has been a priority in this model. The suspension system has been reworked for a smoother ride, absorbing road imperfections with ease. Adjustable rear shocks allow riders to fine-tune their setup for different terrains and preferences. The seating position remains relaxed yet commanding, offering comfort for long-distance cruising. The ergonomic design of the handlebars and foot controls ensures a natural posture, reducing fatigue during extended rides. Technology and safety have also seen notable upgrades. The 2025 Lowrider comes with advanced rider assist features, including traction control, ABS, and multiple ride modes. These enhancements provide better control in various riding conditions, ensuring a safer experience. A keyless ignition system and smart connectivity options have been integrated, allowing riders to sync their devices for navigation and music without distraction. The security system has been improved with an anti-theft feature, giving riders peace of mind when parking in unfamiliar locations. Performance-wise, the 2025 Lowrider delivers a balanced mix of power and efficiency. The refined transmission ensures smooth gear shifts, enhancing overall ride quality. The braking system has been upgraded for better stopping power, providing confidence when navigating city streets or open highways. With an improved power-to-weight ratio, acceleration feels responsive without compromising stability. Customization remains a strong aspect of this model. Riders can choose from a variety of paint finishes, seat options, and handlebar styles to personalize their ride. Factory accessories such as saddlebags, windshields, and performance exhaust systems allow for further customization, catering to both casual riders and performance enthusiasts. The 2025 Lowrider is built for those who seek a combination of heritage and innovation. Whether it's a daily commute or a weekend getaway, this machine promises an engaging and comfortable ride. It embodies the spirit of freedom on two wheels, maintaining its reputation as a favorite among cruiser enthusiasts. For more detailed reviews and expert insights on the latest models, make sure to subscribe to the Auto Car. Stay updated with our latest content as we bring you closer to the world of automobiles.